One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it. Let's talk about the Iron Man of Boston, still going strong.
Here's the Iron Man. He goes, Serge, I'm back, because he's been struggling with this Boston minimum wage thing, right? He's not like he's not cranking 3K weeks now. He's cranking about 26 to 2,800 weeks. You know, he goes, I have to drive more to make less. And I'm going like, yep, welcome to the club. But this was last Sunday. $600 a day, Chris.
Not too shabby.
I mean, FYI, he drives X and Standard and Comfort. That's it. Not Black, not XL. He has a car, as you guys can see, with 251,700 miles on it. Perfectly depreciated car, but it's a Lincoln MKZ that he averaged for that day close to 40 miles per gallon, which is fantastic.
Wait, it's not Black, is it?
No, it's not Black. It's not Black. And he drove a total of 243.5 miles. He grossed 600, exactly 600 to the penny, I think. And that's like $22.20 a mile. Very profitable. It's like so. Raphael, go put your numbers in the Gigu calculator. You'll break the calculator, bro. The calculator haven't seen numbers like
that.
Actually, I'm gonna have him do it just for this day. Just go put. Actually, you know what? He should do that, because I think he'll break the calculator with his weekly numbers.
I'd love to know what they are.
I'm on text him, say, hey, go put it in the calculator. So he was online on Uber for 9 hours and 55 minutes, active for 7 hours and 6 minutes, and he was online on Lyft. Does it say on Lyft how many hours? Yes, 6 hours and 18 minutes. 6 hours and 18 minutes on the lower right-hand side, and he accepted 75% of
overlap, though. There's
Go ahead.
overlap, because otherwise, there's a lot of overlap. So, you're still on both apps, so it's not exclusive one to the other.
Yeah, absolutely.
So even though
but overall, I think
10 hours on Uber and only 6 on.
Does it show his active hours on Lyft though? Let's see. No, it doesn't.
Not on that one.
Okay, so his per booked hour on Lyft was 52.40, and on Uber, so active hours, it was about 45. Yeah, about 44, and which is way above Prop 32 in Massachusetts. So let's let's do this. We can figure actually his active hour to a point, Chris. So he completed 17 trips, rejected 7. So that's about, out of 24 trips, he accepted and completed 17. So that would be what, 70% ish, 70% range, right?
You can't really.
Well, I mean, I'm just kind of stretching it. I'm just stretching.
You're just pulling numbers out your ass to try to figure it out.
Okay. Well, okay. Let's go. Let's go.
You know what I want to know though? Hey, Iron Man. Question for you: who are you on the phone with for 2 hours?
I don't know. He's killing his time, because he was online 10 hours and active for 7 on Uber, and he was online for 6 on Lyft, and probably active for 4. So let's assume he drove 11 active hours, and 60 divided by 11 is over $50, which his Lyft numbers kind of show that anyway, as it is. So that's what Iron Man is doing. Yeah, I'm going to have the Iron Man go to the Gigu Profit Calculator, break that damn thing. So fully depreciated car to a point. He saves his money. He kills it. He drives.
What is he driving?
I don't know anybody else that can do this, but he does it. So kudos, my hat off to it.
251,000 miles on that car.
Yeah, and you know what? I've seen the car's pictures. It looks goddamn brand new to me. You
It's got to
wouldn't
be
know
like
it
a
from
Prius
looking
or
at the
something, huh?
outside and inside. And
I don't.
is that a check engine light or is this trunk open?
Trunk's open.
Oh, trunk's open. Okay. I'm thinking like this is a
Yeah.
check engine light, 250,000 miles. So he was like really proud of this. He goes like, Serge, I did it. And I'm like, cool, awesome, $600. There you go.
Yeah, not too shabby.
Yeah.
Again, who the hell were you on the phone with for 2 hours though?
I will ask. Well, I'll ask him that too. I'll ask him that too. Chris noticed that you were on the phone for 2 hours. What were you doing for him?
I
Well,
mean, it's at the top of the screenshots. It says on a phone 2 hours.
he's got a wife, maybe a wife,
Well, maybe he's on
maybe.
the phone. Maybe he's on the phone with her, and while he's on the ride, she
Yeah,
just is
could be.
waiting,
No,
doing
he's
her own
very
thing or something. Who
professional.
knows?
He's very professional. He does, I'm sure he wasn't on the phone while he's giving rides, but so
I don't
he
know.
doesn't
But
exactly cherry pick, but he does. He rejects enough. So
clearly. All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.